Leonardo DiCaprio's portrayal of stockbroker Jordan Belfort in The Wolf of Wall Street is iconic, but it wasn't the biggest payday of his career. Initially, he negotiated a hefty $25 million salary for the 2013 film, but that figure also included his producer fee. As the production faced budget overruns, DiCaprio made the strategic decision to defer some of his salary. In the end, he took home around $10 million for his remarkable performance. In stark contrast, his co-star Jonah Hill, who played Donnie Azoff, earned significantly less, with a reported salary of just $60,000. So while Leo's role was memorable, the paycheck didn't quite match the magnitude of his character's extravagant lifestyle.